For today's activity, we are going to be looking at some time problems. So let's read our first time problem and solve it together. Aya's school starts at 9 o'clock. One day, she arrived at school 1 hour late. What time did Aya arrive at school? So I can see that her school starts at 9 o'clock. And she arrived 1 hour later one day. Now I'm going to use my analog clock and set it to 9 o'clock because I remember it's saying that school starts at 9 o'clock. So I have got 9 o'clock on my interactive clock. So if she arrived 1 hour later, does it mean that there's time that passed, or should I go back? No, if she's late, it means I need to go forward with my time. So the clock will move 1 hour later, which means my minute hand will make a full circle and my hour hand will move from 9 o'clock to the next hour, which is 10 o'clock. What time did Aya arrive late that day? She arrived at 10 o'clock. Now I would like you to use your typing tool and write in the answer. Enjoy the rest of the activities. Remember, on each slide, I will give you a link to the interactive analog clock, which you then can use to solve your problems today. If you require your teacher to help you read some of your word sums, or if you need an adult to read some of them, please make sure that you show your teacher that you have had some help. Enjoy today's activities and enjoy solving all of our time problems today.